students, welcome to your physical education class. I told you that many students were calling me up that few topics were not covered in your this syllabus. So I have covered two topics earlier. What are the tournament, what are types of tournament, what are the advantages of knockout league. I have covered it and uploaded also in the on easy class. So today I'll be discussing about what are the procedure to draw fixture knockout, because rest of the topics are covered inside the that easy class. So today I'll be explaining how to draw a fixture. ठीक है जी, you have to follow a proper method. बच्चे सब तो पहला what you have to do, you have to prescribe the number of teams. Suppose there a question comes, draw a knockout fixture for 13 teams. For 13 teams. Question comes, draw a knockout fixture for 13 teams. How will you draw? सब तो पहला what you have to write? Number of teams. 13. Means you have to follow the sequence. Suppose question is of 5 marks. 2 marks you will be getting of this, ठीक है, introductory part, and 3 marks you will be getting for fixture. ठीक है जी. Number of teams 13. ठीक है जी. Number of teams in upper half. There is one formula given in your book also. There is one formula, this n plus 1 over 2. N means number of teams. ठीक है जी. Then number of teams in lower half. N minus 1 over 2. ठीक है जी. So this is the main part you have to write at one side. You have to do starting from this side only. ठीक है. This number of teams, and I will write here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 लिख के रख लो ताकि you should not face any problem. ठीक है जी. This is the sequence. Next is कि how to how buys are to be given. ठीक है जी. How to solve this. ठीक है जी. You have to see one thing. First, number of teams total is 13 teams. Number of teams in upper half n plus 1 over 2 means is equal to means 13. 14 ला लो. 14 plus over 2, this is 7. Then 12 over 2 is 6. You have to draw one line over here. ठीक है. Now how to calculate the buys. कि how to get buys. There is one thing written in your book, buy. Page number 20, buy. Buy means it's an advantage given to a particular team so that team should not play in initial rounds. कि कई बार तगड़ी टीम होती है उन्होंने एडवांटेज दे दी जाती है so that it should not be that team should not be playing in initial rounds. ठीक है. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ. There is given a special number of teams in first round. The number is decided by subtracting the number of teams for next higher number, which is the power of 2. Which is the power of 2. Suppose there are 13 teams. Okay? You have to write power of 2. It will be 2 raised to power 4. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. Understood? Is it 16? Then number of byes 16 minus 13 is equal to 3 byes. देखो, understood? It is written there is special the number of byes are decided by subtracting the number of teams from next highest power number which is power of 2 by next number by like what they have. If the number is 13, the higher power it more will be 16. If the teams are 17, then it will be 2 raised to power 5. ठीक है? Then it will be power of 5. Then it will be divided by 32 minus 17. ठीक है जी? So you have to decide the things like this. और देखिए how to decide कि how many byes are to be given in upper half, how many byes are to be given in lower half. देखो, देखो number of byes in upper half. That's की NB minus 1 over 2. Lower half NB plus 1 over 2 means NB means number of byes. देखो 3 minus 1 over 2 equal to 1. That is 3 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 2. ठीक है? Means 2 byes are to be given in lower portion and number of byes. Don't get confused in this. You'll understand everything when I'll repeat it again in next phase. ठीक है? कि number of byes to be given in upper half. सब देखो 2 byes. Better you have to follow a sequence to give a by. Suppose the question is of 13 teams. Draw a knockout fixture for 13 teams. Means first by you have to give here. Sab to end thing. And next by you have to give on the top. On the top, number 1. First is on 13, then number 1. ठीक है जी? Next by you have to give under this line. You have to follow the sequence. First, second, and under the line third. If fourth by is to be given in next phase, then you have to give on 7th. ठीक है जी? Then you have to, how will you draw this? One thing I have forgotten, कि number of rounds. Number of rounds means it will be 4 rounds. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rounds. देखो, ठीक है? Now, how to draw this? This will be first round. ठीक है? By 1 will go automatically go ahead because it is by is given to them, so it will not play in initial round. Then there will be match between 2 and 3. 2 will go ahead. Then 4 and 5 4. ठीक है? Then 6. ठीक है? Then 8, automatically 8 will go ahead because by is given. 10, 12 and by and 13. These 8 teams have gone ahead. 1, देखो, there will be match between these teams. This is second round. ठीक है? Then 2, 4, 8, 12. Then third round. Then fourth is the finalist. 8 in a, this is fourth. A winner. If you will write all these things, na, then only you can get 5 out of 5 marks. Understood? This was the question. कि draw a knockout fixture for 13 teams. And you must follow this sequence. देखो, I'll stand this side. देखो, ध्यान ना देखो. Just see it carefully. I'll be standing this side. देखो. ठीक है। वन थिंग मोर आई हैव मिस्ड कि नंबर ऑफ मैचेस, number of matches will be 1 less than number of teams. Number of is n minus 1. Number of teams means it will be 12 matches. These are the small things you have to write. These you have to follow the sequence. ठीक है, देखो you can calculate the matches of the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. All 12 matches I have calculated. These will not be considered as matches because they have been given byes. ठीक है जी, ये तो होगा for 30 teams. If question comes, draw a knockout fixture for 11 teams. 11. ठीक है जी, how will you draw? Same thing you have to follow. Number of teams 11. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ राउंड 4, सेम विल बी देयर, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज लेस देन 16. ठीक है जी, नंबर ऑफ मैचेस 10. ठीक है, बाइज अपर हाफ आही कटना आपका सिर्फ. फॉर्मूला इज सेम फॉर दिस, मींस नंबर ऑफ टीम मींस 11, मतलब कि 12 over 2 6, then it is 5 teams. इतना होगा ना, जिमें 11 10 over 2 5 आ गया. ठीक है, सेम रेस टू पावर, देन हियर इट विल बी 11. नंबर ऑफ बाइज टू बी गिवन 5 बाइज, सेम फॉर्मूला, एवरीथिंग सेम, एन बी माइनस 1 ओवर दिस. ठीक है, सेम. How many byes are to be given? 5 byes. Number of byes in upper half, same formula, 5 minus 1 over 2 means 4 over 2 is equal to 2 byes in upper half. Number of byes in lower half, and b minus means number of byes means 5 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 byes. 3 byes are to be given in lower portion. आप ध्यान रखियो इसी. And same thing you have to write, but only you have to delete this or rub this. Same, write this 7 8 9 10 and 11. I'll repeat it. देखो, number of teams 11. ठीक है जी, number of teams in upper half 6. Draw this line. Number of team in lower half 5. 1 2 3 4 5 5 teams. ठीक है, ये नोट कर लो, मैं राउंड कर रहे हैं चीज़ें, ये नोट कर रही हैं. Then number of byes to be calculated means raised to power 4 ही होगा. 16 minus 11 to 5 byes. Number of byes in upper half 2, number of byes in lower half 3. ठीक है, थल्ले टीम्स घट है पर byes ज्यादा होंगे. So how to get byes? Same number of matches 10, number of round 4. ठीक है जी, देखो first bye you have to give सब तो थल्ले, at the end of, second on the top. This is the sequence you have to follow. I told you earlier also. Third bye on 7 under the line. Fourth bye above the line. Fifth bye here. Same you have to follow the sequence. ठीक है, and 5 byes we have to complete. 5 byes are 5 byes we have given. And how to draw the fixture now? 2 with 3, 4 with 5, 8 with 9. By will automatically, this 1 will go ahead. Then 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. ठीक है, हाँ, 2, 4, 8, 10. 4 8 6 Let's have a देखो राउंड, फर्स्ट राउंड, सेकंड राउंड, थर्ड राउंड, फोर्थ राउंड। देखो 1 2 3 and same number of matches will be 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 everything will be systemized and some system पता लगेगा इस चीज। same question comes कि draw a knockout fixture for 9 teams, ठीक है 9 teams आ गया। for 9 teams, everything will be same, बस you have to change the सिर्फ नंबर चेंज कर दो। सेम, एवरीथिंग विल बी सेम, आ चीज़ें सारी सेम रहेंगी, इट विल रिमेन्स में, ठीक है। नंबर ऑफ टीम्स 9, ठीक है। ड्रा नॉकआउट फिक्सर फॉर 9 टीम्स, सेम फॉर्मूला, नंबर ऑफ टीम्स इन अपर हाफ n plus 1 over 2 n plus मतलब कि 10 over 2 5 टीम्स, n में से मतलब कि कितना हो गया 8 over 2 4 and write the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 इस तरह लिखो। सेम थिंग 16 आऊगा, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 byes। number of byes in upper half same, nb minus 1, number of byes 7 minus 1 over 2 means 3, the rest of the byes will be 4, it will be at by 4 byes, and nb plus 1 over 2 nb minus 1, there 3 byes, 3 byes will be in upper half। सब तो पहले टीम्स देखो, rounds will be 8, rounds will be 4 and matches will be 8, ठीक है। everything is will be like that only। number of teams in upper half 5, draw this line, divide this thing into 2 portions, and number of byes, first bye you have to give number of byes in upper portion, above upper half 3, lower half 4, ठीक है। first bye, second bye, same follow the sequence, ठीक है। then fifth bye, then sixth bye। डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड है कि सारे ਨੂੰ बाई मिल गई है, फिर क्या हो गया मिल गई, ਆਪਾਂ सीक्वेंस फॉलो किया फर्स्ट राउंड, ठीक है जी। 1 will go ahead, 2 will go ahead, 3 there will be only 1 match in this round, 3 and 4, ठीक है। 5 will go ahead, 6 will go ahead, 7 will go ahead, 8 will go ahead, 9 will go ahead, then there will be match in the second round, 2 5 6 8, third round, then 5 and 6 fourth round, and 6 is winner, this is winner, ठीक है। same thing, ठीक है। same is the formula for if the team 7 teams are there, 7 teams, here it will change, it will be 2 raised to power, so the same thing will be there। suppose it is for 7 teams, to draw a knockout fixture for 7 teams means you have to chalk ले रहा हूँ कि 7 teams, everything will be same, then 7 teams, ठीक है। number of teams in upper half and कितना हो गया 7 plus 1 over 2, 8 over 2 से 4, ठीक है 3, ठीक है सेम इत्थे बदल जूगा समीकरण इधर 2 रेज़ टू पावर 3 हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 it will be 8 it will be 8 मतलब कि 8 मैचेस होगा ना it will be 8 the number of buys in means ओना ही फार्मूला लगू सेम number of buys 16 नहीं sorry 8 minus 7 equal to 1 by 1 by will be given same formula for this 1 minus 1 over 2 is 0 ठीक है बल्कि इत्थे आऊगा 1 and plus मतलब कि 1 plus 1 over 2 it will be 1 so 0 by upper half to 0 इत्थे 1 by there is no by given in upper half तो ठीक है जी matches will be 6 round will be 3 बस go through my videos once you will be understanding the things so इन्हें रब करो right like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ठीक है नंबर ऑफ टीम मेरा पूरा 4 ठीक है अपन लिखा ना 4 then 3 1 2 3 number of bars by the given 1 ठीक है give 1 by here ठीक है then इन्हें मैच करा दो 2 6 ठीक है and 7 will come ahead automatically 4 6 3 round first round second round third round and 6 is winner so this is the total thing rest of the things though above if the teams will be above 16 or 17 so madam has uploaded that videos you can go through it once ठीक है you can go through this videos anytime ठीक है there will be no problem in this ठीक है जी so watch it carefully so that no problem is faced in the case of this was the odd ठीक है if the teams will be even you can see your book also if the team will be even 8 teams I suppose there is no such cases in this देखो simple ठीक है तो मैथ सीधे हो जाएंगे इवन की सम ऑफ ठीक है इन कॉज ऑफ इवन नंबर्स वो तो सीधे हो जाएंगे सब ऑड दे विच आ फार्मूले लाने पौंदे यू कैन सी फॉर ऑड आल्सो even also in your book तो बहुत सिंपल फार्मूले कोई सीधा नहीं होता n over 2 n minus वो भी n over 2 है वो भी n plus over 2 है वो भी n over 2 h भी n over 2 फार्मूला सेम ही रहता है ऑड पर h इवन च थोड़ा ऑड च फर्क रहूगा इवन च नहीं फर्क पऊगा थोड़ा सो ठीक है जी एंड गो थ्रू इट वंस चेक करो चंगी तरह वीडियोस कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए इस ठीक है जी सो आई हैव कवर्ड ऑल द 3 टॉपिक्स व्हिच वर लेफ्ट so go through it once if any problem go through the videos once twice or thrice and this completes our syllabus of this whole periodic one so go through your topics carefully and prepare for your physical education test very well ठीक है thank you so much